Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. I recently purchased Panasonic LX750 4K Ultra HD LED TV from a retail shop. It is a 55-inch Android model with thin bezels. Some of the important features are: the MRP is around 82,000 rupees and the retail price was around 60,000. Inside the box we have AV cable, power cable, remote with 2 batteries, base stands, user manual and a wall mount. Now the wall mounting is complete. The remote is simple with minimum buttons including power, mute, source, exit, info, back, home, menu, navigation, OK, volume down and up, Google Assistant, Netflix, Google Play and YouTube. Initial setup needs to be done to pair with the TV. Now let's switch on and see. We can change the source to select the suitable one. Wallpapers are available. We can easily change the picture mode, sound mode and other features. Many of the popular apps are already installed. Android version is 10 and updates are available. To set up the TV, we need to connect to Wi-Fi. Logging in to a Google account will help generate personal recommendations. Now let's check the picture and sound. In addition to Dolby audio, we have DTS Studio sound and surround sound effects. Various settings are available. If you are using a soundbar, then these won't be necessary. I am using the TV sound for this demo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.